Alright guys, so I finally just logged into someone's IXL account and because I've been getting a lot of questions about this. Whenever you are in your IXL account, this is what happens when you sign in. Alright, so you're signing in just like normal, and these are the recommendations just from IXL. These are just the regular recommendations. However, right here, does everybody see it? Right here is the skills that are suggested by your teacher. Okay, so then you'll click on those and you can see everything that's been recommended by your teacher to complete on IXL. Okay, again, these are recommendations from IXL, and then over here where this little star is the recommendations, the skills suggested by me and Ms. Shorn or Ms. Bonsecore or whoever else is recommending things for you to do. So you go over here and this is where you can start your actual work. All right. So just again, I have already signed in. I used Hannah's account. Thanks, Hannah. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and sign out. And you just sign in using the username and password that you've already had. And your assignments are right up there in the right hand corner. Okay, I need you guys to watch the videos I've been posting. IXL video explain this in detail, where to find those. So I need you guys to make sure you're watching these videos. Bye. Have a good day.